Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to Akbar Technical YouTube channel. And today my topic is about how to use in-game AI chatbots for seamless player support. So first of all, subscribe my channel and press bell icon. So let's start the video. Okay. So why seamless support matters in gaming environments. Okay, let me know you. So in the gaming world, immersion is key. Players want to lose themselves in the game, and any interruption can break the spell. When players encounter issues to have questions, they expect quick and efficient support that doesn't take them out of the game. Okay, so seamless support is critical for player attention and satisfaction. Okay, so the role of AI chatbots. So AI chatbots have become an essential tool in modern gaming support. So by leveraging natural language processing and machine learning, chatbots can understand player intent and provide accurate and context-aware responses. Okay, key features of effective in-game AI chatbots. So to provide truly seamless support in game AI chatbots, need to have certain key features like natural language understanding, personalization, multilingual support, and a seamless integration. Okay, integrating chatbots across platforms like mobile, console, and PC. So, with gaming spanning across multiple platforms in game chatbots need to be adaptable. The chatbot experience should be consistent across mobile, console, and PC while taking into account the unique characteristic of each platform. Okay, so metrics to track chatbot. Number one is resolution rate. Number two, average resolution time. Number three, player satisfaction. Number four, engagement rate. So, future of in-game support, adaptive and predictive AI. So, as AI technology continues to advance, the future of in-game support looks increasingly promising. Adaptive AI chatbots will be able to learn from player interactions and improve their responses. Over time, they will be able to detect patterns and anticipate players' needs before they even arise. So guys, my topic is completed. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.